Focus and mindset is everything in football.
The mindset wins the match.
Your mind leads your body.
From 3D printing to continuing perfection of the air-based midsoles, Nike has taken some bigger technological swings in the past couple of years. We also saw the viral release of the Hyperboot Recovery Boot in partnership with HyperIce. And now, the athletic giant is doubling down on recovery once again with a new futuristic-looking slide dubbed Mind 001. We've seen Nike dabble in hybrid slides like the Calm, or purpose-built recovery slides like the Rejuvenate 8. But with the Mind 001, these full-on post-workout sandals are intended to actually double as stylish footwear. Stay here and discover the science behind this new technology and all the launch details. Some shoes soften the sensations. Nike Mind technology amplifies them. It works by activating the sensory areas of your brain through the thousands of mechanoreceptors in the soles of your feet. Nike Mind, a new way to connect body and mind for your biggest moments. It's no secret that consistent training and ironclad discipline make good athletes. However, achieving excellence requires something often overlooked: mental toughness. To help athletes hone this skill, Nike's Mind Science department has spent the last few years examining the unconscious aspects of preparation, performance, recovery, and sports mindset, and how products can interact with these elements to meet athletes' physical and mental needs. Applying insights from sensorimotor neuroscience, they seek solutions that help athletes train optimally, reach their peak mental performance, and recover more effectively. The result of this work is Nike Mind technology, the first Nike shoes to combine neuroscience with design to support pre-game routines and post-game recovery. Nike Mind is a new concept in sensory footwear that helps awaken the foot, body, and mind, says Eric Avar. But how exactly were these new technologies related to physical performance and mental clarity developed? The Nike Mind platform took more than 10 years to develop. During that time, Nike used a mobile brain and body imaging lab to study the athlete's mind, including brain activity and the nervous system, to gather insights. From the outside, an athlete's mindset might seem like a whole new ballgame for Team Swoosh, but according to Matt Nurse, Nike's chief scientist, it wasn't that different from creating a purely performance product, because they all start the same way. We don't always start with a shoe, he says. We start with, what are we trying to accomplish? Some of the first running shoes actually started with us trying to better address fatigue. Two silhouettes were created to express different style preferences using the same technology. The Mind 001, a mule, and the Mind 002, a sneaker. Both models incorporate the Nike Mind system, composed of 22 anatomically mapped foam nodes in the sole. These nodes move independently at a piston-like rhythm to activate key pressure points connected to sensory regions of the brain. The Nike Mind nodes interact with receptors in the sole of the foot to amplify sensation, providing a unique sensory experience with every step. During their development, neuroscientists used mechanical sensors, muscle electrical signals, and brain rhythms to investigate the impact of Nike Mind technology on the nervous system and brain. They discovered that the unique sensation felt in the feet stimulates athletes' senses, strengthening the mind-body connection and improving stability, movement efficiency, focus, and mindfulness, allowing users to be more present in the moment. During the design process, every material and detail was carefully selected to enhance the user's sensory experience and showcase the innovation behind the shoes. Yes, people are already making comparisons to a particular angular Tesla, and they're not wrong. Its sculpted, molded construction is aggressive, something most recovery slides aren't. Nike is known for taking risks with its design, so this is the norm. The perforated upper is clearly designed for optimal ventilation on both the top and sides of the foot. The branding is fairly understated with a small embroidered swoosh on the front. However, the chrome side, swoosh badge looks more like a car emblem than a sneaker badge. With targeted recovery support, it suggests there's a scientific basis behind its placement, rather than just an aesthetic choice. Nike is clearly aiming for the Mind 001 to be something you can wear outside the locker room. The Nike Mind 001 Light Bone drops January 8th, 2026 for $95. Available through Nike.com and select retailers. Stay up to date with all the upcoming sneaker releases and new episodes of Kicks Action from our Instagram, and be sure to follow us on YouTube and Rumble. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe now so you can keep watching more of Station Kicks.